Hi, good morning dear student. So today in this video lecture series I am going to introduce a new video lecture series on Vedic mathematics, and it is our proud moment for our country, for India, that Vedic mathematics mainly originated from our country itself, and now whole world is doing research on the topic Vedic mathematics, and it is a renowned and a hot topic for world mathematics researchers to do research in this topic. And what I have seen in for the students, for the benefit of the students, what I have seen in the YouTube, that most of the Vedic mathematics lectures are long duration lectures. So obviously in this modern generation, we student or we people usually get bored for long duration videos. So what I decided that I will give on lecture series on Vedic mathematics of short duration, okay, so that you can enjoy those videos and you can learn Vedic mathematics little every day. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this lecture series. So before going to start our first lecture on Vedic mathematics, that is introduction, I will request you to subscribe my channel so that you get further updates and further videos for your help. And if you like the videos, then only subscribe, otherwise you don't need to subscribe, it's up to you. Okay, so in the first lecture for Vedic mathematics, I only took the introduction part. Actually, what is Vedic mathematics? I have taken this source from Google. Okay, so let me tell you, first point is Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques and sutras. Sutras in English is formula. It is this word came from Sanskrit. That is a language which originated from our country itself. To solve mathematical arithmetics in easy and faster way, means obviously if you have formula for some mathematical problem, then the solving of those problem will be very easy only using formula. You don't need to think, or you don't need to draw, you don't need to do any physical experiment to solve that problem. Only if you have formula, you just put the values and get the answer. So in Vedic mathematics is a collection of formulas and techniques to solve the mathematical arithmetics in easy and faster way. It is the main thing why Vedic mathematics is required, because it makes the problem easy and faster way. It consists of 16 sutras. Mainly it consists of 16 formula sutras, formulae, and 13 sub sutras, formulae, which can be used for problem involved in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, conics. See, only this Vedic mathematics used as a tool or technique in several subjects. So you can imagine that how many different varieties or different field of mathematician will use Vedic mathematics in their research paper, so that they get quicker answer and they get published their paper. The second point is Vedic mathematics is a system of mathematics which was discovered by the Indian mathematician Jagadguru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji in the period between AD Anno Domini 1911 and 1918, and published his findings in a Vedic mathematics book by Tirthaji Maharaj. Okay, first mainly about Vedic mathematics, formula, techniques, all these things, first has been a past person who has published the formulas and techniques, means first Vedic mathematics as a book. It came during this session in the book Vedic mathematics book by Tirthaji Maharaj. First only he was the person who bring this Vedic mathematics things into this world, into this research world. Okay, Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. This is the important thing. Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. Using regular mathematical step, solving problems sometimes are complex. Yes, I told initially, regular techniques, regular physical thing, or check or make models and make models of the problem, or make physical models or artificial model for a mathematical problem, then solving that problem will obviously complex and time consuming. Okay, but if you have formula or some technique, and then you just put the input value and get the output value as a result. But using Vedic mathematics, general techniques applicable to all sets of data and specific techniques applicable to specific sets of given data, numerical calculation can be done very fast. Okay, whatever I told, exactly that things described here. Vedic mathematics is a general technique which will help you to put all the set data in some technical manner or some formulae, and you will get the output as an answer. So I hope you get the idea why to study Vedic mathematics. So from next lecture we will go to the main topic, main source of the Vedic mathematics, and every day we will learn one technique, or we will learn, or we will prove some problem in easier way. Okay, so with this I conclude the first lecture. I hope you like the introduction of Vedic mathematics. So I'll request you again, if you want to get Vedic mathematics lecture series, please subscribe the channel and like the video and share the video. Okay, thank you, bye bye.